Alright guys, the Shengshou clock has arrived. So I'm excited for this for multiple reasons. One of them being, the beautiful anime girl on the box, which I actually drew fan art for, and for now I'll give you a sneak peek and you guys can just gaze at these beautiful thighs. Okay. Another reason is that, well, it's magnetic. I believe it's like it's the first mass-produced magnetic clock, and it's like the first clock that's been produced since like the Lingao or something. There was also the Bai Tai clock, but no one cared about that because that was basically a Lingao copy, and it's been discontinued indefinitely. So let's see how it performs. Okay, so I've watched like a few unboxings of it, and it doesn't seem to perform that great out of the box. But I hope that like after breaking it in with like hundreds of solves, I doubt I'm gonna do that many solves, but if you break it in, then hopefully it gets better. So yeah, let's see how it is. Okay, I'm gonna make sure not to show my address. Right, so I unbox it after a copious amount of bubble wrap later, and okay, I don't know why they include this in like every shipment. It's like this thing with like lube, but like I think lube is personally overrated. Like all you need are like a couple of like like these types of lubes, and then you just like put them in every time you're about to do a big session, and then it dries out like 50 solves later. So yeah. Okay, so let's see. Whoa, okay, it's like plastered more times than I thought. I thought it was just like on the front, but no, it's like here you see a disembodied head staring menacingly, and then this she's like folded as she exists in only 2 dimensions. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna save. This is the one box that I'm going to save because, because of the anime girl. Okay, let's see. Okay, this instructions, let's see if I can recognize. Okay, that's one. That's one. That's, I don't remember what that was. Okay, this looks familiar. I think that was in the kanji for library, but I don't remember how it's pronounced. Yeah, I have to study more. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, so like immediately the pins are like not locking up compared to like every other, like most Lingaos that are out of the box. Like the pins are like atrocious, and like you can barely like push them down because there's so much resistance. But these, it's like as if you've been doing hundreds of solves already because there's like no resistance to them. Okay, let's see the. Whoa, what the? Okay, hold on. Let's put everything up. Yeah, so exactly as I thought. The turning is like pretty hard. There's like a fair bit of resistance. Okay, I'm gonna compare this with my Lingao, my very well broken in Lingao. So the problem with this is that like the pins fall down too easily because it's not magnetized, and like I think I tested before, but like after like 5 rotations, like this pin goes all the way down, so like it messes up with what you're trying to do. Well, granted, you won't be doing like just 5 full turns in a solve, but you can account for that by like the equivalent, I guess, rotations. Like if you add like the distance rather than the displacement, then you should still expect some of them to like be close to falling down. So that's why I don't really enjoy solving on this. But on this, obviously, that problem can be mitigated by like putting magnets. But this has magnets, so yeah, this is the first magnetic clock that I'm feeling. I don't know why it's like so hard to turn. Okay, let's see how it turns with like one of these pins. Oh, that was weird. I think it was slightly misaligned and it didn't turn. Wait, is this? I can't tell because I was turning with my left hand, but this is my right hand. I think it's like easier to turn, but still pretty hard. It has a very, okay, so compared to this, compared to the Lingao, each turn is like less. There's a less tactile bump, I guess. Like for this, each turn is like it makes like a very sharp sound. One with like a high amplitude peak and like very little. So basically like a collapsed wave function. For this, it's like you know. I mean, it sounds the same. I guess that point isn't that important. Let's do. Okay. Whoa! What the heck? That's really hard to turn. And I can't push this down. Okay, now push down. Oh no! It doesn't even turn. Okay. But this feels way better than how my Lingao was out of the box. Like, I distinctly remember the absolute torture I had to go through while trying to even do a single solve. Kidding, this is... I feel like I could break my fingers if I try to turn it too hard. Why is there like a scratch? Yeah, there's like a weird scratch thing there. Did I push this? Oh, that one's not exact. There. Okay. Oh, wait, they don't have the anime girl on the insert. Yeah, I'm actually kind of disappointed. Like for like the Lingao. Oh, this is a custom insert, so you can't see it. But I believe on the original like the stock inserts, they have like the mascot, which is like this anime boy, something reminiscent of I don't know, like Yu-Gi-Oh or like Digimon or something. But I mean I might draw him too, but I don't really. I'm not that great at drawing anime boys, so. Yeah, see, the thing with this is that it's very easy for it to be in an intermediate state. Like you see this this clock pin is like exactly at the center of these two dots. So that might make it more prone to lockups. Whereas for this, if you want to like even though you technically can get it at the center, it like has it's more susceptible to like snapping back to either side. Okay, so let's do a solve. Okay. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Wait, I'm gonna see if that thing's true. So, yeah, so if you like feel the bottom, then you can like definitely feel that like the center of the curve is flat. It's not exactly flat, but you definitely feel like a drop off from like when it becomes flat to more curvy. Okay, so it's like that for every side, because I was worried that it would only be for like they would only implement that on the bottom and not do it for the other sides, because like some people start, I don't know, in different positions, so you have to account for that. Alrighty then. Yeah, so it's not great out of the box, but that might change after doing a bunch of solves. Okay, after this unboxing, I'm definitely gonna upload the time lapse for the anime girl, and hopefully I'll do that as soon as possible. So yeah, thanks for watching.